So good morning, class. Good morning. So we have a very interesting lesson for today. So you guys all know that we just finished our lesson on animals, and we learned about all different kinds of animals all over the world. Today we're going to shift our focus, and we're going to start learning about insects. So, can I have someone tell me what that insect is called? Yes, Tessa.
A butterfly.
A butterfly, thank you, and thank you for raising your hand. So, can you guys believe that this butterfly used to look like that caterpillar? Yeah, crazy, I know. So, today we're going to be learning about the life cycle of a butterfly, or how this becomes this. But before we get into our book, we have vocabulary words that I need you guys to know. So, our first vocabulary word is egg. And like we always do, I'm going to clap out this syllable, and then you guys are all going to do it together. Egg. Can you guys all do it together? Egg. Good job. Can someone raise their hand and tell me how many syllables is in the word egg? Yes?
This one.
Thank you. So an egg. We learned about eggs when we learned about animals, right? But this is kind of a different kind of egg. It's not like an egg that a chick comes out of, because a caterpillar comes out of this one, and it's really, really tiny. If you are looking at a leaf, you need a microscope to see this egg, because it's very small.
Can you eat that egg?
You do not eat this egg. Good question, Erin. Thank you. So an egg, when it's from a butterfly, an egg is when a butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed plant. And about 6 days later, it hatches and a caterpillar comes out. So this next vocabulary word, I'm sure you guys haven't heard before. It's cocoon. So I'm going to clap it out, and then you guys are going to do it after. Cocoon. Can you guys do it now? Cocoon. So can someone raise their hand and tell me how many syllables is in the word cocoon? Yes, Alicia?
2.
2, thank you, good job. So a cocoon is the protective house that a caterpillar makes for itself before it becomes a butterfly. And a caterpillar stays in its cocoon for about 2 weeks before it comes out, and when it comes out as a butterfly. So these next 2 words, you guys have already explained to me that you know what they mean, but we're still going to go over the syllables for these ones. So again, I'm going to do it, and you guys are going to follow. This first word is butterfly. Butterfly. Can you guys do it? Butterfly. So can someone raise their hand and tell me how many syllables is in the word butterfly? Yes, Tessa?
3.
3, thank you. So our next word, this one's a little longer, it's caterpillar. Caterpillar. Can you guys go? Caterpillar. So can someone tell me how many syllables is in caterpillar? Yes, Alicia?
4.
4, good job. So now that we know our vocabulary words, I have a really exciting book for you guys. It's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's by a man named Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. So remember how we just talked about the egg? That's an egg that a butterfly laid right there. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. So out of this little egg came this little caterpillar. He started to look for some food because he was very hungry. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. So on Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Pretty hungry caterpillar, right, guys? So on Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. And that night he had a stomachache. Have you guys ever eaten a lot and gotten a stomachache? Yeah, not fun.
Do caterpillars really eat all that stuff?
We're going to talk about that after. Great question, though. So the next day was Sunday again. So it's been 1 week since this caterpillar has gotten out of his egg. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. But now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar either. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon, remember when we talked about that, guys? Around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a little hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Pretty cool, huh? So did you guys know that caterpillars turn into butterflies? It's pretty interesting, huh? So, a butterfly lays his egg on a leaf, and the egg is there for about 4 days, and then it hatches, and out comes a baby caterpillar. So for about a week, the caterpillar stuffs its face with leaves. All it does is eat. And when it gets big enough and it feels like it's ready to become a butterfly, it builds a cocoon. It hangs off a branch, and it builds a cocoon around itself so that it could be safe while it's changing to a butterfly. So for about 2 weeks, the caterpillar stays in that cocoon, and when he comes out, he's a butterfly. But I told you how much caterpillars like to eat. Did you guys really think they eat chocolate cake and Swiss cheese and pickles and ice cream? No. They only eat leaves. They eat a lot of leaves. So, tomorrow, we are going to continue this lesson, but we're actually going to see a video on YouTube of a real caterpillar turning into a butterfly. So, stay tuned. Good job, guys.